Hello everyone, Coach Carole here with the next tutorial in the 2026 AI Genealogy Workflow playlist. You'll notice here on my YouTube channel page that there are 2 videos here already waiting for you, and these today and over the next week or so, I'll be adding more. Today's tutorial is all about using the census records within a one-place study. And I've landed here on the page that I'm building inside the WeAre.xyz site. And this is the particular census record that started it all. This is the 1881 census for South Moulton Street, which is the subject of my one-place study. And here my ancestor, Henry J. Hall, you can see down here, that was a printer living at number 25 with his family, Sarah, Edward, Emily, and we have his 3 grandsons, you'll notice the different surname, living with him, and a couple of lodgers. So that's what started this whole process. What I want to share with you is a little bit more about my workflow today, so you can see how I got started. First thing to do is to set up your dashboard. And if you look right up to the top, you'll see I have Google Gemini open, my prompt Cowboy, and this page on WeAre.xyz. But I also want to have all of those pieces that I've put under this tab called AI Workflows. And in here, we've got access to the Google Drive where I'm storing the projects. And this is my document that I turned into a blog post, which has some instructions in it, and you'll find that over in Substack. So the first thing that I wanted to do in this project was to prepare a space for all of the outputs from it. So just flicking over here to my Google Drive, you'll see that I've put in place several folders under the heading of 2026 Workflow Projects. I've been able to gather the 1881 census records from Ancestry, also the 1891 and the 1901. And all of these have been added into their appropriate folder. And I think this really does help if you've got it all planned out. So inside the 1881, we'll see all of those particular census data for each of the residences, starting at number 45 and going all the way through to number 63, I believe, is at the end. So quite a lot of information in those. And piece by piece, I wanted to build a picture about the changing nature of the residents in this street, in South Moulton Street. Just flicking back to XYZ here. This is a typical street scene of South Moulton Street back in the days of 1880s. And you can see on the right-hand side here, there's a shop for Henry J. Hall, where he conducted his printing business. And on the left is a stylized census record. So I've been putting these pieces together to build this one-place study, and especially for what I'm going to put on the front page, which is called the description. I've also uploaded those same census records into the media here as part of separate albums, so I can go into each one of those as required. But how to get started?